Hi everybody, this is a quick video on how to make a works cited page. This will be required as part of your essay. Hopefully you didn't leave this till the last minute. Alright, let's get started. So, in order to make a works cited page, you need to make sure that this is the last page. So for example, this is 3. You're going to actually put your cursor in the middle, so you're going to center align it, and then you're going to type the word works cited. Then, on the following 3 slides, these are basically the works that you cite. These are examples, of course, but for example, if this is the article you used, meet the 3 artists behind a landmark lawsuit against AI generators. I'm actually going to go ahead and take this title, Control Paste, so Control C, just in case you didn't know how to do that, and I'm going to put it right here. You shouldn't have the horizontal line. If you're like me and you have the horizontal line, I'm just going to rewrite it then. So, meet the 3 artists behind a landmark lawsuit against AI art generators. You're going to want to put, you see how it says right here, John Doe R? This is the author's name. So for example, the author of our article here is Pravnav Dixit. So this is Pravnav Dixit. Pravnav is their first name, so I'm actually going to have Dixit first because it needs to be last name, then first name. Okay? Do you see how the last name has a comma? You're going to put a comma right there, and then a period after the first name. Then you're going to have your title. Mine is bolded, so I'm going to unbold it. You are going to italicize it. The first name should not be italicized. This is not size 12. If I click it, I can see it's size 11, so I'm going to go ahead and make it size 12. And then I'm going to head back to the article. This is the date that it was published. So going back to the article, it says 2023 is when it was published. And then lastly at 7:35 a.m. So I'm going to take the 2023 and I'm going to head back here. I'm going to put a comma and then 2023. Unitalicize it. Lastly, put a period and the word print because this was in print. That is it. Do that to all of the sources that you use. So if you use 2, I should see 2 sites. If you use 3, I should see 3 sites. Lastly, if you want a little bit of a cheat sheet or you need help, in Google Classroom, you can go ahead and open up any doc. So I'll show you guys right now. I'm going to just duplicate this real quick. You go to Google Docs and see where it says Report MLA. You are allowed to use this. It does give you your name, professor's name, subject, you just title it in. And at the bottom, you actually do get a works cited. So if you want to use that, you absolutely can. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what gets you the 3. If you have any questions, please let me know. Other than that, I'll see you in class. Bye.